First, I will explore Taj Mahal, then, in the later part, I will share some very interesting unspoken truth of Taj Mahal. Understanding the true history will also make your experience more enjoyable.
The Taj Mahal, one of the seven wonders of the world, an iconic symbol of love, is famous for its breathtaking beauty and historical significance.
Don't just stop at this blog, it's highly recommended for a personal visit to the Taj Mahal. No word is enough to describe its beauty.
Hey guys, we are on the Vande Bharat train. It's the first time we are riding here and it's a very nice train. We are going from Jhansi to Agra. We are just going to visit Taj Mahal over there.
It's like first experience here. We never came from Vande Bharat. It's really very nice, very beautiful. And this is our breakfast. You can see. We just boarded onto the train and we just
What a garam breakfast. What a nice. And many things. Paratha, sabzi, then upma, dahi, tea, cake,
so many things.
everything.
And Manu have
Manu
prepared
is
tea.
enjoying the
Small
things.
kid has prepared tea. You can imagine.
Now this is the view of the Vande Bharat. It's super fast train. It's running almost over 130 kilometers per hour. And this is the nice view. It's the same kind of bullet train in the outside India, Europe side. Very clean.
Very spacious. It's very spacious. Like we have only seats, but 3 persons are sitting.
Yeah, it's very comfortable also. You
Food
feel
also.
like you are sitting in flight
Yeah.
with spacious. Vande Bharat air host on the way. They are also selling some foods. If your breakfast is not enough, you can have some drinks also here.
Oh, hi. See? This is my one.
It's a very nice train. Definitely one-time experience. Very much.
Hello guys, welcome to the beautiful Taj Mahal. Awaited.
That seventh wonder
See?
of the
How
world.
beautiful it is. We just came from actually my Vande Bharat. And now we are here.
Taj Mahal metro station, this one, it got opened also. Manu and Sonali are here. Yeah. Now you are going inside.
This time little
Chalo.
bit sunny is there, but still we are very much excited to see Taj Mahal. So that's nothing in front of that.
Hello. Bye guys. Catch you later. Bye. Hello. We are going by Iris. Wow. See. We are inside Taj Mahal. We are having some luggage, so that is the reason I am sitting behind. And Sonali and Mani both are sitting inside. Oh. Look at the Taj Mahal inside. Wow, very nice, man. People are walking and enjoying here. Oh. Now we are inside Taj Mahal.
Yeah, we are inside. Like nearby Taj Mahal, you'll see so big
Yeah.
it is actually and so big.
Now we can see the Taj Mahal also from here. It's so beautiful.
The Taj Mahal has many sealed chambers in its basement that are off limits to the public. Some believe this room contains secret inscription, hidden treasure, or even evidence of an earlier structure. The Archaeological Survey of India maintains that the rooms are simply closed due to structural stability concern and do not contain any secrets.
Oh, one of the most beautiful Taj Mahal. We are in front of that.
Knowing the history of that,
It's a very nice one.
how much crowded it is. It's like
It's-
afternoon. Malika.
It's incomparable. What a beauty it is. We are just closing towards Taj Mahal. Lot of people are there. Just 5 minutes you have to stand and see how beautiful it is. Now I can understand why it is called seventh wonder of the world. So definitely she is not the seventh wonder. I'm talking about behind that.
The minarets of the Taj Mahal lean slightly outward and intentional design to protect the main tomb in case of an earthquake. The dome appears to change color throughout the day, pinkish in the morning, white in the afternoon, and golden at night due to the reflection of sunlight. While many of these mysteries remain debated, they add to the aura and charm of this architectural wonder.
Is it true that the Taj Mahal was once a Shiva temple?
Several mysteries and legends surround this iconic monument. Here are some of the most intriguing ones. Some theories suggest that the Taj Mahal was originally a Shiva temple called Tej Mahalaya before being converted into a mausoleum by Emperor Shah Jahan. The claim is largely based on the writings of historian P.N. Oak, but mainstream historians dismiss it, citing a lack of solid evidence. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan commissioned the Taj Mahal in 1631 as a mausoleum for his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. She died giving birth to their 14th child. The Taj Mahal is widely regarded as a testament of Shah Jahan's deep and enduring love for Mumtaz Mahal. Construction began in 1632 and was largely completed in 1648. The work on the surrounding buildings and gardens finishing in 1653.
What's the mystery behind Black Taj Mahal?
The mystery behind the Black Taj Mahal is largely a captivating legend rather than a historically confirmed fact. The popular belief, originating from the fanciful writings of Jean-Baptiste Tavernier, a European traveler who visited Agra in 1665, suggests that Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan planned to build a second, identical Taj Mahal across the Yamuna River from the existing one. The story goes that Shah Jahan's plans were interrupted when he was overthrown and imprisoned by his son Aurangzeb, preventing the completion of the Black Mausoleum. The story goes that Shah Jahan's plans were interrupted when he was overthrown and imprisoned by his son Aurangzeb, preventing the completion of the Black Mausoleum. Most historians and scholars dismiss the Black Taj Mahal as a myth. They point out that apart from Tavernier's account, there are no contemporary Mughal records or other reliable sources that mention such a project.
Mumtaz, Arjumand Banu Begum. She was the beloved wife of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. She lived from 1593 to 1631. She is most famously known as the inspiration behind the Taj Mahal, the magnificent white marble mausoleum built by Shah Jahan in her memory. She was known to be a trusted confidant to Shah Jahan. The construction of the Taj Mahal involved a massive labor force with estimates of over 20,000 workers. These workers came from various regions including India, Persia, the Ottoman Empire and Europe. It involved the labor of thousands of artisans and craftsmen from India, Persia and other regions.
Where did the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan bury the hands of 20,000 laborers?
A popular myth states that Shah Jahan ordered the hands of the artisans and architects to be cut off so that they could never recreate another masterpiece like the Taj Mahal. There is no historical proof of this, and many historians believe it to be an exaggerated tale. The Taj Mahal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most visited tourist destinations in the world. The Taj Mahal's beauty and historical significance continue to captivate people from all over the globe, making it a timeless symbol of love and architectural mastery.
Thank you. Your subscription is my inspiration.